top, the garbage you are holding is plastic, which is inorganic waste, so you have to throw in the inorganic trash can.
What should that be? What is the difference between organic and inorganic waste?
Let me explain. So inorganic waste is garbage that comes from non-living things. If organic waste can be decomposed, it is different from inorganic.
Yes, that's right. And organic waste is an item that is no longer used and thrown away by the previous owner or used. Organic waste can still be used if it is managed with the right procedure.
Then, how long does it take for organic and inorganic waste to decompose?
Organic waste is very easy to decompose. This is because organic waste has a high water content, so it decomposes quickly.
And for this inorganic waste, it takes a very long time to decompose because it contains carbon. The time it takes is 50 to 100 years.
And what are the examples of organic and inorganic waste?
With organic waste, for example, is vegetable residue, banana peels, rotten fruit, onion skin, and the like, and dry organic fruit such as wood, tree branches, wood, and by leaves.
Examples of inorganic waste are metal, plastic, glass, rubber, and chains.
Then, is there anything we can do to reduce inorganic waste?
There are several things, namely items such as use bottle into plant pots cans as a place to store rice.
And how to use organic one is to make compost for gardening.
Now I know more about organic and inorganic waste. Thank you so much for you.
Yes, you are welcome. So now you have to throw the bottle into the inorganic trash.
Singing low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she singing low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she
Oh no! Oh no! No! Oh no! No!
That's right. Yeah.
Oh no! No!
That's right. Yeah.
Oh no! No!
That's right. Yeah. That's right. Yeah.